Shipping car parts on eBay can be a hassle. If you don't know what you're doing, you might end up spending more money on shipping than the actual part is worth. This is easily avoidable. So today I'm going to show you guys the process that I use for my BMW specialty parts business. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is choose your carrier. You can use FedEx, UPS, or the US Post Office, but I use the Post Office because it's already pretty cheap and eBay has built-in discounts for sellers. Once you go to print a label, you need to enter the weight and dimensions first. This will determine which services you can use. I use 3 services within the post office. The first one is USPS First Class. This is a great option if you're shipping cheap and inexpensive parts, but it's only available if the part is less than 16 ounces. So the average first class package probably costs about $3 to $5 to ship, which is very cheap, especially compared to the other options. Most of my packages are heavier than a pound, so I don't use it that much, but when I can, it's nice to save the money. The next service I use is Priority Mail Flat Rate. This is the only service where you don't actually have to provide your own boxes. All you have to do is go on the post office website and you can order the boxes from there and they'll ship them to your house for free. They have small, medium, and large sizes available. This is a great option if you're shipping very heavy parts, but just keep in mind that they have to fit in the boxes or it won't work, obviously. The nice thing about flat rate is the price never changes. It's $7, $13, or $18 depending on which size you use. The third and final service I use is called Parcel Select. This is a great option if your package is too heavy to do first class and it doesn't fit in a flat rate box. You're basically going to have to use Parcel Select. Now, Parcel Select is pretty expensive, but again, it just depends on the size of the package, where it's going, and the weight, but generally it's not too bad. But you want to have a general idea of what it's going to cost you to ship beforehand so that you don't end up, charging $10 for a package that's going to end up costing you $12 to ship. So you just want to always keep that in mind. Alright guys, I just packed all these orders. I'm going to go head over to the post office now and drop these off. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.